Hello friends. In this episode, we will learn a song named Onuntero Bani Tumi. This song is part of the seasonal songs written by Tagore, and this is a spring song. This particular song was written in the year 1926. According to the famous Tagore historian Prashant Kumar Pal, this song was written in the occasion of Dijendranath's grandson Ajindranath's marriage ceremony. There are different opinions about the origin of this song regarding when and for what reason this song was written. In certain other publications, we find that the song was written for Ramesh Chandra Majumdar's daughter's marriage. But we consider this song to be part of not as an Anushthanik song or an event-based song, but as a seasonal song and is based on the spring season. So, whatever may be the case, let us now start learning this song. This particular song is based on Rag Paraj Basant. That is, part of the song is based on Paraj, and in phases we have glimpses of Basant in the song. And it is based on the Tal Teura. Teura Tal has 7 beats and it is divided into 3, 2 and 2. So let us start with the first line. Onuntero Bani Tumi Basuntero Madhure Utshobe Onuntero Bani Tumi Basuntero Madhure Utshobe So if you go through the lines, you will see that this is also talking about a celebration. So whether it was written for somebody's marriage, there is a controversy regarding this. But whatever may be the case, this is a celebration song, and this is a song which is, of course, the situation is spring, and we are celebrating something, and we are celebrating the nature, and we have a festival to celebrate here.
Sure.
Okay, so let's start with the first line. Onuntero Bani Tumi Basuntero Madhure Utshobe. Before you get into the line, let me just clarify that Onuntero, Onunte, the te has Otikomol Rishabh. That is, we have re written and we have a small 2 written next to re. So what does Otikomol Rishabh mean? Prashun, please answer.
Otikomol is a position between Sa and Shuddha Re.
No, Otikomol is
Komol
a
Re.
note between Shuddha Re and Komol Re.
Shuddha Re, Komol Re.
Yeah. So if I have Sa Re, this is Shuddha Re, and if I sing Komol Re, it would be Sa Re. And if I sing the 3 notes one after the other, it would be Sa Re Re. So the Otikomol is between
Komol
Re, Re, a note between this, which is not possible for, as in the human vocal cords, to sing. Okay, because we are only sensitive to particular frequencies. It's possible on stringed guitars or bowed instruments or say S-Raj or instruments like that. where we can technically point on an otikomal note. Okay, but if you now get into the gaiki of the song, when I sing Anantero, I can't sing otikomal re, but what I can do is I can make it swing. So it will be like this. Anantero bani tumi. Okay, so it actually indicates a little swing when you present the note. Okay, so when you sing it, you should sing it like this. Anantero bani tumi. Sing it with me. Anantero bani tumi. Similarly, bani is komal dha, which is oti komal dha. So it should be something between komal dha and shuddha dha, a note between these two. Okay, so again, if you get into the gaiki of this line, it should be Anantero bani tumi, bani tumi. Okay, since it is not technically possible to get into that note, so you swing between these two notes. Okay, let's sing the first line now. Anantero bani tumi, bosantero madhure utshobe. Again. Anantero bani tumi, bosantero madhure utshobe. Anandero mudhupatra puripurno puridebe kore. Anantero bani tumi, bosantero madhure utshobe. Sing the second line. Anandero mudhupatra puripurno puridebe kome. Anantero bani tumi, bosantero madhure utshobe. Sing the first two lines again. Anantero bani tumi, bosantero madhure utshobe. Anandero madhupatra puripurno puridebe kome. Anantero bani tumi, bosantero madhure utshobe. Okay, now let us move on to the antara part of this song. This song is typically structured like a Rabindra Sangeet, as in the typical structure of Rabindra Sangeet, where we have a sthai, antara, sanchari and abo. The antara says, Bonjulo nikunjo tale, sancharibe lilachhale, chanchalo anchalo gandhe, bonochhaya romanchito hobe. So the nature is now going to be excited and they are now going to celebrate the thing that I want to celebrate. Okay, with my celebration, with my festivity, the entire nature is going to participate. It's not clear for whom the festival is going to happen. It's because of me or because of the nature, but both the parties are celebrating. Okay, this is what the next two lines.
Romanchit is the most important word.
Yeah, it's getting excited.
Describe.
Okay. It again has otikomal dhoibat. Okay, so otikomal dhoibat starts with the note otikomal dhoibat. So otikomal dhoibat would be, please answer.
Oti Komal Dhoibat will be the note between Komal Dha and Shuddha Dha.
Yeah, exactly. So we start with Oti Komal Dhoiba. The note is Oti Komal Dhoiba. Bunjuloni kunjutale sanchuribe lila chale. Bunjuloni kunjutale sanchuribe lila chale. Bunjuloni kunjutale sanchuribe lila chale. Sing with me. Bunjuloni
kunjotale sanchoribe lila chale.
Again.
Kunjuloni kunjotale sanchoribe lila chale.
When you repeat this line, you have a touch note which is ni. So when you are repeating Shanchuribe, Shanchuribe is Komol Re, a direct Komol Re. Okay, where you do not swing the note. So it would be a direct note like Shanchuribe Lila Chale Bunjulo. When you just end the line, you go to ni and then come to Oti Komal Dha. You can't come to Oti Komal Dha, but you can come to Komal Dha. So sing this line once more. Bunjuloni kunjotale sanchoribe lila chale. Bunjuloni kunjotale sanchoribe lila chale. Okay, so every time you have to come to the Komul, Shuddhani.
Chancholo Ancholo Gandhe, this line, when we sing second time, Monjuloni Kunjo Tale Sanchoribe Lila Chale, then also we have to go to that ni.
Yeah, both the cases, when you're repeating the line, you have to come to ni, and when you're going to the next line, you have to come to ni.
Okay.
So this is a permanent tune.
Okay.
Okay, this is not a Shuranta.
Shuranta, exactly.
Okay. So let's sing the two lines once more. Bunjuloni kunjotale sanchoribe lila chale chanchalo anchalo gandhe chanchalo anchalo gandhe mono chaya romanchito হবে অনন্তেরও পানি তুমি বসন্তেরও মাধুরী উৎসবে। Yeah.
চঞ্চল অঞ্চল গন্ধে when we বনচ্ছায়া রোমাঞ্চিত হবে, বিফোর বনচ্ছায়া অঞ্চল গন্ধের নোটেশন what will be the
See, the
notation?
thing is that it's the same notation. When the way you sang Bonjulo Nikunja Tale, you have a touch note of ni. The same thing applies on Chanchalo Anchalo Gandhi also. So it should actually be like this. Chanchalo Anchalo Gandhi Chanchalo. So when you just are about to end the line, you go to ni. So sing it with me. Chanchalo anchalo gandhe chanchalo anchalo gandhe mono chaya romanchito hobe অনন্তেরও বাণী তুমি বসন্তেরও মাধুরী have the sign of Oboshan on Madhuri Utsabe. So when you want to end the song or go to the next part of the song, you have to end the song here, in the line here. Okay, let's now move on to the Shanchari part of it, which says Monthoro Munjulo Chande Munjirero Gunjono Kollolo Andolibe Khone Khone Oronnero Hridoyo Hindolo. It continues with the same emotion, that but the sensation is on the other side. That is, we were talking about the overall excitement of nature, and it's physical and it's huge, it's big, it's larger than life. Okay, when I'm saying Choncholo Ancholo Gandhe Bonochchaya Romanchito Hobe, so it's like the entire forest is getting excited. But in the next part, we have Monthoro Munjulo Chande, that is with the soft sounds of the nupur, which is the anklets.
Yes.
So the emotion changes a little. Okay, here the thing is a little microscopic. It's a little subtle. Okay, and the sound also, the tune also changes accordingly. So let us now listen to the Shanchari's tune, which is also very interesting. Monthoro munjulo chande munjirero gunjono kollolo. Monthoro munjulo chande munjirero gunjono kollolo. Andolibe khone khone oronnero hridoyo hindolo. This is very significant because for the first time and also for the last time we have Korima here, okay, or Tivrama in this line. Andolibe khone khone oronnero hridoyo hindolo. Okay, you have Tivrama and you come back to Shuddhama. So you have Tivrama and Shuddhama back to back, one after the other.
Here lies the beauty.
Okay, here lies the beauty of this rag itself. Okay, so let us now try to sing the abhog part. Be very careful about the notes. Okay, sing it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Monthoro munjulo chande munjirero gunjono kollolo. Andolibe khone khone oronnero hridoyo hindolo. Monthoro munjulo chande munjirero gunjono kollolo. Andolibe khone khone oronnero hridoyo hindolo. Once more. Monthoro munjulo chande munjirero gunjono kollolo. Andolibe khone khone oronnero hridoyo hindolo. Once more. Monthoro munjulo chande munjirero gunjono kollolo. Andolibe khone khone oronnero okay, which says নয়ন পল্লবে হাসি হিল্লোলি উঠিবে ভাসি মিলন মল্লিকা মাল্য পরাইবে পরাণ বল্লভে. So now let's sing the abhog part. নয়ন পল্লবে হাসি হিল্লোলি উঠিবে ভাসি নয়ন পল্লবে হাসি হিল্লোলি উঠিবে ভাসি. See? নয়ন পল্লবে হাসি হিল্লোলি উঠিবে ভাসি নয়ন পল্লবে হাসি হিল্লোলি উঠিবে ভাসি মিলন মল্লিকা মাল্য মিলন মল্লিকা মাল্য পরাইবে পরাণ বল্লভে অনন্তের. Sing from নয়ন পল্লবে. নয়ন পল্লবে হাসি হিল্লোলি উঠিবে ভাসি নয়ন পল্লবে হাসি হিল্লোলি উঠিবে ভাসি মিলন মল্লিকা মাল্য মিলন মল্লিকা মাল্য পরাইবে পরাণ বল্লভে অনন্তের পানে তুমি বসন্তের মাধুরী উৎসবে. Now let's sing the entire song together, okay, in one go. 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. অনন্তের বাণী তুমি বসন্তের মাধুরী উৎসবে আনন্দের মধুপাত্র পরিপূর্ণ করি দিবে কবে অনন্তের বাণী তুমি বসন্তের মাধুরী উৎসবে কুঞ্জুলনি কুঞ্জ তলে সঞ্চরী